At Peter Vardy Heritage in Edinburgh, we are proud to offer this rare, completely original and low-mileage 1990 Porsche 911 Carrera 4 Coupe, finished in Guards Red with white leather and red piping. With a mere 46,089 miles from new, it has resided with the previous owner since 1998 until now. The car has been meticulously maintained throughout its life and boasts a full Porsche main dealer history with 12 stamps. The Porsche 911-964 Carrera 4 was a pivotal model in the evolution of Porsche's 911 Carrera history and offered a Carrera that was considered 85% new to its predecessor, the Carrera 3.2. Porsche substantially revised the suspension, replacing torsion bars with coil springs and shock absorbers. Power steering and ABS brakes were also added to the 911 for the first time. The exterior changes included new bumpers and fog lamps, which became flush with the car for better aerodynamics. A new electric rear spoiler raised at speeds above 50 miles per hour and lowered down flush with the rear engine lid at lower speeds. Interior revisions included a new automatic climate control system which provided improved heating and cooling. Our example features a host of factory-fitted options which include electric sports seats, a sunroof, a rear wiper, and a Blaupunkt Symphony radio cassette player. We offer a unique experience and pride ourselves on offering something truly special to our clients in the form of the finest selection of classic and modern classic vehicles from our immaculately heated indoor showroom and our state-of-the-art workshop. We can arrange transportation across the UK or internationally. Call us today on 0131 322 6712 for more information, or please visit petervardy.com.